Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Twinsmax.com. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a store that will sell like fragrances, wallets, bags, belts, and luxury items. So for example, as you can see right here, so they actually sell an iPhone 16 Pro Max for only 84.99 pounds. I mean euros, I don't know if that's legit or not. It seems to be not. So AirPods for only 24. Louis Vuitton bracelets and MacBook Pro vendors for only 79, and a lot more. So this is already turning out to be a scam since it is very too good to be true. And as you can see, if you actually search for them, Twinsmax, the website itself is not named Twinsmax. So as you can see right here on Trustpilot, they're only rated 3.4 with only 2 reviews, but only one person said something. Scam. I did not receive my order. Never ever buy from them. They're fully a scam. So it is very obviously a scam. Who would buy an iPhone for this cheap? So please guys, do not buy anything from them. They're very obviously a scam. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.